Want to transform your ordinary ceiling into a work of art? In this video follow along as Popcorn Ceiling Solutions founder Viktor Rokovich installs an LED backlit printed stretch ceiling. For this project that was already an existing light fixture. So I decided to use that junction box as our power source. This was a unique situation because of the curved shape of the ceiling. But because the perimeter track we use is flexible, the installation was not a problem. Here you see my trade secret for maximizing light reflection and distribution. We always apply a base of aluminum foil. Next I install LED tape in strategic locations along the perimeter and in the interior of the piece. Printed fabric gets tucked into the perimeter track while I add tension to the textile. This architectural fabric is called Studio Canvas. It is a special PU-coated fire-rated knitted polyester. It is time to trim the excess material. Once the ceiling is stretched tight, it's time to finish the installation and tuck the edges. I could not have been more thrilled with how the project turned out. The result is the ultimate home theater experience. Are you ready to go from ordinary to art gallery with your ceilings and walls? Gardens are one of the highest expressions of human culture, a space for rejoicing and contemplation. Miniature gardens are ideal for small spaces, as they reproduce large green spaces to scale. They are an exercise in mutual love between nature and human beings. Since ancient times, cultivating a garden has also meant cultivating oneself, beautifying the world while beautifying the spirit. Miniature gardens or terrariums are ideal for contemplation. Since ancient times, they have been considered by the Japanese as instruments of relaxation. Today, these micro-beauties are one of the ideal gardening trends for decorating small spaces. The attractive gardens reproduce concrete conditions such as those found in a forest, a desert, a rainforest or a relaxing park. They are very showy and having them at home gives a unique and different touch. Cork peels off bark every few years. The bark that comes off first is called the virgin cork. We made the landscape this time by putting together virgin cork with aquarium adhesive that hardens with moisture. It develops creativity. The final product is very rewarding. It is even a therapeutic work. And it has its doses of magic and fantasy. Thanks to these works of art, you can have your own botanical space and save a lot of space. How to install decorative wall panels in your bathroom. Start by measuring your wall from floor to ceiling. Take an internal corner trim and use a tape measure to transfer over the measurements. Mark this with a pencil. Use a multi-tool to put down the line you've measured. Now get an electric drill and 12 mm Countess all screws and drill these into the edge of your trim 300 mm intervals. Measure from floor to ceiling with your tape measure, and transfer the measurement onto your panel. Mark this with a pencil and use a fine-tooth saw to mark a straight line. Use a Stanley blade to trim off the narrow edge of your first panel so it fits nicely against your wall. Apply a silicone to the back of your panel from side to side. If the walls are uneven, plate like this. Now add your first panel to your wall, and ensure you push it in your internal trim. Use your drill to fix some screws into the tongue of the panel. Hurry this process out for the rest of your panels along the run of your wall. Measure the width that is left at the bottom of your wall, but minus 5 mm for your trim. Do the same at the middle and top of your wall. Transfer your measurements onto your panel and mark with a pencil. Now use a straight edge and then cut down the edge with a Stanley blade from top to bottom. Ensure the Stanley bite has gone all the way through the panel. Apply your silicone to the back of the panel and then add your panel to the corner of the wall. When your panel is in place, measure and put your internal trim so it fits on the wall. Now secure it interface with screw. Carry on this process for the rest of your wall. Valpaint is one of the most technologically advanced Italian companies in the production of decorative paints. Valpaint offers a wide range of decorative wall paints, which it exports all over the world through a network of over 400 resellers. With Valpaint, a new way of decorating surfaces is born, with sensations not only visual but also tactile never before reached. The result is a spectacular decorative effect and attractive, refined design solutions. Always respecting the environment and human health. Special paints for interiors, the most advanced and innovative decorative wall painting solutions and exclusive lines.